Let's check what apps you deleted on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone, you have some apps on there, but you went through and deleted one a week ago, or a month ago, or a year ago. I'll show you how to find the entire list. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you're on any basically app, you can tap on hold, tap remove app, and then delete app there. And it will remove it from your phone, but your phone still keeps the memory that you've downloaded it in the past. To be able to find that list, let's tap on the App Store and tap on your profile icon at the very top right. Now that we're in here, right under your name, let's tap on where it says Apps and then My Apps. This shows you every single app that you've ever downloaded on your account, and you can tap on Not on this iPhone at the top right, and it will show just ones that you have deleted. Now keep in mind, this doesn't show the list in chronological order of when you deleted them. This shows you the list in the order of chronologically when you initially downloaded them. So I can scroll down to the very bottom here and see basically the second to first app that I ever downloaded was the Weather Channel and Space Dead Beef and then Google Earth. So keep in mind, I could have deleted Google Earth recently, but it will still show on this, basically the list, it'll show chronologically when I initially downloaded it. And for Google Earth, it was December 16th, 2008. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.